Will now be recorded.
Okay, today we will discuss about types of reports. Okay, how to schedule reports to business users. How to schedule the reports to business users. Okay, we'll discuss these things. After that, okay, within this one itself, a report viewer. Okay, report viewer tab. Okay, these two we'll discuss, and then we'll discuss about what are the options are available in a report viewer. Okay, we will discuss. And okay, first one, what are the different types of reports are available? Okay, what are the different types of reports are available in general? List view. Okay, summary view. Okay, summary view. Next one is report definition. Okay, these are the different old version. Now you cannot create a list view. You cannot create a summary view. Old version, PEGA 7 up to 7, okay, below 7.2 version, PEGA 6 version. Okay, PEGA 7.2 and below versions. We don't have report definition. Sir, we don't have report definition. Okay, sir, whatever, whenever you want to get the data at the time, we'll create a list view or summary view. Old versions and PEGA 6 or PEGA 7 to below 7.2 version. At that time, we'll create a list view and summary view. Sir, what we can do by using list view, what we can do by using the summary view. Sir, if you want to, okay, if you want to display the data in the form of okay, charts. Okay, in the form of charts or graphical representation. Graphical representation, okay, then we can go for list view. Okay, whenever you want to display the data in the form of charts or graphical representation, we can go for the list view. See, you can see, and a list view means a table and a table formats. We can say like that. Charts means okay, table formats. Display the 1,000 records in the UI. Okay, those 1,000 records, how we will display the table format. Sorry. Okay, this one. Okay, yes. Table format. Okay, if you want to display the data in the form of table or okay, table format, then we can go for list view. For example, now we want to display whatever cases created last 1 week, every day, all working. Okay, all okay, whatever open cases. Whatever resolved cases, in case they want to see the key, they want to see, okay, and then they will tell us these are the fields we want. At that time, what we will do, we will create a list of old versions, and whatever properties are required, we will include all the properties. How we display the customer details in a UI, right? Similar way, tabular format. In case if you want to get the data at that time, we will create a list view. Similarly, in a summary view, if you want to display the data in the form of okay, charts or graphical representation. Graphical representation, okay, then we can go for summary view. Sir, okay, whenever you want to, like x-axis and y-axis, x-axis and y-axis, okay, you want to display the data. Okay, you want to display the data at the time, we can go for summary view. And old versions, we will create a list view and a summary view to achieve this one. So now whatever we are going to achieve by using list view, whatever we are going to achieve by using summary view, we can achieve by using the report definition. By using report definition, we can achieve. Okay. So by using report definition, sir, we can display the data in the form of a table or for table formats or charts or graphical representation format. So now by using report definition, we can do this one. Okay, now PEGA okay 7.2 onwards they introduced. So now previous old versions we will create this one by using report definition itself we can achieve. Okay, by using report definition itself we can achieve this one. So now see one more important point. Remember, okay, whenever we want to okay display the data in the form of search charts or graphical representation, at least one column from query tab, at least one column in a query tab. From query tab, okay, we need to select aggregative column. So okay, one column. Okay, whenever you want to display the data like that, at least one column you need to select as aggregate column, like a function. Sir, we have you can see like a count, distant count, max, minimum, average. Sir, like that we have a different okay aggregate functions are available. You need to you need to select this one. Aggregating column from summarized option. From summarized. You need to select aggregate column from summarized. Okay. First class I showed you right last 2 days before class. A similar way. So now you need to select at least one column. Okay, whenever you want to display the data in the form of charts and graphical representation. So list view already people knows and okay, so this one so table format already okay we knows. Okay, now see here yesterday we created one report. Yesterday we created one report. This report wherever we want we can call, right? Yes or no? We will take one table layout, there we can refer, yes or no? Hmm. Okay, there we can refer this uh, report, right? So now whatever data you are getting, the data in the form of tabular format, nothing and okay. Now see here. Now all the data. So now this data now you want to show somewhere else. Okay, I'm going to remove all unnecessary things. Just I will include whatever. So now sir now you are PX grade date time. Hmm. Okay, fine. These are the properties I'm including. So now we can run this one. All your data now it is showing in the form of graphical representation. Sorry, a tabular format. In case now if you want to add a filter conditions, now you can add a filter conditions. Now wherever you want to refer, you can refer these reports. Okay, sir, they will ask us, okay, they will ask us to include join work table maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow or Monday. We'll discuss about class joins. Joins. Okay, at that time we will get to know how. See, commonly okay, sir, commonly what we will do is that we will display this data, okay, in the form of tabular formats, right? I told, okay, where we can display in the dashboard level or my work here. Here different tabs will be available, right? There we can create a reports. Sir, here either in a okay, dashboard level or else here if you see home page, wherever they want, there we will display wherever they want. Okay, either here. Okay, now we can create and then we can include here, or else now we want to include here also we can include. Okay, this type of reports when you are creating, sir, all open cases now I want. Okay, open cases anyone want to see. Okay, at that time we will create a report. Those reports we can include here. Okay, we can include here. Sir, either you can join with your work table or work basket table, and then we can show. Or else your whatever cases pending with you, your work list, you want the data in the form of tabular format. Whatever cases pending with you. Okay, for example, whatever cases I created, now I want. Okay, sir, now see here. Assign icon. Sir, work list. Sir, now whatever case is created. Sir, now work list means whatever case is pending with you. Okay, now see here. Now I'm going to create one more report here. Okay, the data in the form of show. Sir, I'm creating one more report. Now you can include. So now this one it will give cases pending with the home. Okay. Now you can. Okay, you want the case ID. You want right case ID. Assignment status you want. What time the case is created. Who created the case? Sir, who created the case? A case ID you want. Sir, now case ID you want. So this one PZNSK is not required. Sir, now you want like assignment status. Assignment username. Okay, or else you can whatever you want you can use. Assignment status. Assignment status we want. Now I included this one. Sir, now see here. In general, it will fetch the all users cases. Now I want whoever is logging into the application. Whoever is logging into the application, now I want. Sir, now see here. Whatever case is pending with that particular user. Some more additional details now I'm including. Now, sir, here we can include. You can pass the parameters. See, you can include and whatever properties you want. Sir, now I want to okay, display here. So now we can, okay, I'm going to take one more layout. Okay, in this layout, you can take the okay, table layout, okay, report definition, a class name you can specify. Okay, and show user claim details. Okay, px requester. Okay, py user identifier. Okay, click on save. Now we will map the properties. Okay, now you are showing a data in the form of a tabular format. Sir, whatever properties you included here, you can call those properties. Okay, this one user ID and assigned user. Okay, assigned user ID. Okay, what is the case ID? You want case ID. Okay, case create date time. Okay, px create OP name, operator name. Case created operator name. Assignment status. So now we can see the cases here, whatever case is created for that particular person. Okay, I will remove one of the property. Okay, now we can see this one I'm removing. It will not overlap. So now here you can see whatever cases we created now. See whatever case is created by Sarita. Okay, now if I'm going to here you can see. Okay, now data we are showing in the form of tabular format. Whatever case is created by Surya, you can see the those cases. Whatever he created the cases. Like that, we will create whatever they asked us to include the properties. We will include all the list of properties, and we will include all the list of properties. So I'm going to check in this role. Check in this one. So now we can see here. Whatever cases created by this person, now we can see the cases. Surya created these cases only. In case, okay, now he is logging into the application. Okay, Sarita 1. Now Sarita 1 is logging into the application. Now Sarita, whatever Sarita 1 created the cases, now she can see the cases. She created these 4 cases. She created these 4 cases. Like that, and we will show the data in the form of tabular formats, whatever they want. Even within the case also, when you are processing the case, at that time we will display the some more data in the form of tabular formats. Already people knows. Okay. Sir, now whatever conditions you want to add, you can add those conditions, and then we can display the data in the form of tabular format. We will take the table layout in a section, and the table layout as a source we will call the report definition, and then okay, we will map the properties. So now how we can show the data, okay, in the form of charts and graphical representation. I told that at least you need to select one aggregate column. So now how we can showcase, okay, um, data, how we can showcase that one. Okay, data in the form of graphical representation. Now okay, we will see. So now go here. So wherever and again here also, in general, dashboard level and okay, in general, this see now see, it will give the overview about. See now it is giving what data cases created more cases. So now clearly see 17th, 14th, 2 cases created. But okay, now here you can see 15th, we created 9 cases. Okay, 16th, we created 3 cases. 17th, we created 1 case. So now again, I'm going to create one more case. I'm going to create one more case. So now it is giving you some like a graphical representation. Sir, now see here, it is giving some data, right? Easily, okay, who are like manager level people, now see increase. Again, I am going to create one more case. So now data, whatever your case information, it is showing in the form of graphical representation. So manager level people can easily can understand while seeing those reports. While seeing these reports, then easily they can understand. Now go here, check all the dashboard level and dashboard level we can showcase like that. Now see. Similar way, okay, if you want to show here, come down here also. So now easily we can see this one. How many cases available in okay, claim initiation, first stage? How many cases are available in verification? How many stages are available in assessment? How many cases are available in claim settlement? So now it is giving some okay clear information, right? Everyone, the data, your case information.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Sir, your case information, it is giving some clear information. Okay, now in case if you want like that, at that time what we will do is, okay, we will, sir, a dashboard level and in general, sir, within the case whether we will show like that, no, in a dashboard level, okay, we will show the data in the form of a graphical representation. Okay, I will also create one sample report. Now see here how we will include. So now see even same and your case information, your work list, okay, wherever you want to create a report, you can create. So now my case information, now I want to show data in the form of charts. Now see here, now I'm creating. Show open claim cases. I created one report. Now whatever columns now you want to include, you can include those columns. But now whatever columns now you want, you can include. Sir, now status. Sir, how many columns you want to include, you can include it. Sir, now I included 2 columns. Now go here and check this one. You must save this report at least one okay aggregated numeric column before defining the chart. It's not enabled. Not enabled. Here we will select under summarized, we will select that count, distant count, max, minimum, whatever you want, we will select. So now you want to show the day when I'm going to select one of the one column, and immediately now we can see here include charts, include charts like that. Okay. So now here you can see first we'll discuss this one. To what type of charts are available. So now whatever chart you want, you can drag, and here you can see okay available columns. Whatever columns we included under query tab, we can see here okay case ID work status. So now drop okay, aggregated columns here. Sir, whatever column you selected aggregate to numeric column, that column we will okay, drag under y-axis. And remaining properties group drop group by column here. Whatever column you if you include multiple columns, those columns now you can include into y-axis and okay in between also. You want some more information, some of the columns information you can include here. So how we will include now? Just you can drag. You can drag this one and you can drag this one. I create. So now I included only two columns. Okay, now see. In by default it is showing like this one. So now you want some different format. Select this one. Select this one. Now you want this format. So whatever format now you want. So now you want this format. You can include this one. Whatever format you want, now click on save. Just I'm going to show you. Run this one. Sir, run this one. Now your data is showing in the form of this format. So now how many cases are available? 126. How many cases are available in the claim approved? How many cases available in progress? Now it is giving a clear information. Sir, now if you, in case whatever charts you want, you can enable that charts. Now just you can drag and you can drag that charts, and then you can map the x-axis and y-axis properties. Okay, again here some more options are available, some decoration kind of thing. Sir, now when you are running a report, okay, this one, okay, sir, now here you want to give some heading. Okay, open. Sir, now you want to give some heading. Go here, title. Title. Now we can give the title name. Open claim cases. And the size, the text size also. Okay, now what size now you want to include? Regular or else bold. Regular or bold. Okay, now you can run this one. Now we can see here open cases, open claim cases, open claim cases. Now color settings. Sir, now these colors also we can, in case if you want to change these colors, background color or else some more additional colors you want to include, you can include. Okay, some more additional colors if you want to include, okay, you can include. And for example, now I'm selecting this one. Click on submit. Now we can see that no need to change all those things. Okay, so now okay, now see here even general okay, selections also. Now you want some formats, so different formats. So show border. Okay, how you want to show this one. Okay, some more additional things and some decorations point of view, 3D format you want to include, you can include. we are displaying like that. So now what format you want, main thing is what format you want. Okay, now how you want to show this one? Okay, now I want to show this format now I want. So now I included like that. So now you can see here, now run this one. Now I can see the data like that. How many cases are available? So like that we will create a reports. End of the our project, okay, whatever reports they want, we will create those reports. We will create those reports, and wherever general list view type of things we will include under here, and under here we will include, and any charts related one we will include under dashboard level. Okay, clear everyone? List view means table formats related reports. We will next I will discuss about reports tab only. Okay, sir, any list view related one we will include under reports. Now how would I display it, right? Under homes, generally we will not do like that. Okay, here we will display end of the project, end of the our development, whatever you are developing, right? End of the development they will ask us reporting like that, reporting what are the reports they want, business want, what are the reports they want. Okay, what are the reports business want, we will create those reports, and then we will delegate to them whatever properties they asked us to include, what condition they asked us to include, we will include, and then we can delegate under reports, or else wherever they asked us to display, we will display either data in the form of tabular format or graphical representation. Clear everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now wherever, so whatever conditions you want to include, you can include. Similar as now how we are displaying like that. So now we can check in this one. Okay, now we can check in. So for example, okay, now again here, okay, some more things I will tell you. So now I'm going to run this one. So now they want, so now see here, this is the report, right? So now again it is giving some more additional information. Now if you observe open cases, sir, for example, claim approved, when I'm go, either you can click this one or else you can click here. It will open one more report. Because this report we can call as a drill down report. Sir, in this level, when you are again you can click on backend. Okay, if I'm going to click this one, I can see some more cases. So now here, this one we can on click one more report it will display. This report we can call as a drill down report. Okay, na everyone clear? Sir,
Yes.
where we can call this a drill down report? What is the okay, even interview point of view also people will ask you one day. Interview point of view also people will ask you, okay, do you have any idea about drill down report? Okay, do you have any idea about drill round report? Sir, where we can call this drill round report? Where we can call? Sir, where we can call? Sir, in general, okay, in general, sir, even this one also, the drill round report will display okay, when you are calling, okay, when you are displaying data in the form of charts or report definition, okay, reports, charts or graphical representation. Go to the report viewer here. Okay, this is the okay PEGA default drill round report. Here we can call and here we can include our own. So now they will ask us when I'm going to click this one, I want some more additional details. So now we can think that see what is the use of this one? It will give the more information about your report. Agree? Sir, now when you are seeing this one, it is not, we are not showing too much of details, right? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, now we are not showing okay too much of details. We are not showing. And click this one. You want more details. So even here also case okay, some more additional details you want to show. At that time we will create a drill round report. Now see here, we can create our own report here and show. Okay, claim cases, show claim cases. Okay, open claim cases. I'm creating one more report. Okay, now I'm creating one more report. Now you can include, okay, you can include case id. Okay, px create date time, px create operator. Okay, px update name, px update operator. Sir, more information and more information, px. Sir, now again you want to include even, okay, your case properties also, not only PEGA OOTB properties. Sir, now you can, now you are including. Click on save. Click on save. Now go here. Now you can see. Sir, now you can see this one. When you are going to click this one, now we can see the more information about your report. It is giving some more information, right?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, now what we can say, what is the use of drill round report? Come on. What is the use of drill round report? When we are displaying data in the form of charts. Okay, if user want more information, so now if user want more, okay, more information, sir, more information about okay, report, okay, more information about report, then we will create a drill round report and include the required properties. Where we will call this one? We will call report in a report definition under report viewer tab. Okay, under, sir, now under autocomplete, here we will call it. It means it will give you the more information about the report. Sir, we will then we will create a reward report. Sir, we will include the many properties. Now this one also, wherever you want to include. For example, you want to include here. You want to include. Now wherever you want to include, okay, your report. Okay, those are the PEGA OOTB sections, and now I'm save asing into in our application rule sets. Okay, remember previously also whatever I done. So this section is available in PEGA OOTB rule set. Now I save as it into in our application rule set. Okay. Whenever you want to modify like that, okay, we will do. Okay. So now you can here you can see it. Here we have option is available. Chart. Select this one. Chart option is available. Okay. This is the control we will use. Select this one. Select this one. Sir, now here also in case if you want to change, we can change open cases. Sir, now we can the format also we can open claim cases. Sir, now whatever formats now you want, you can change that formats. Okay, whatever formats you want, you can change that format. What is the source? Again, what are the different sources are available? Database, report definition, and clipboard page. Select the okay, report definition okay, where you created the okay where you created LIC hyphen. You can specify that class name. Okay, class name and okay, open show open cases. Okay, show open cases. Now see here. Okay, now you are displaying like that. So now you are displaying the data in the form of graphical representation. Okay, now click on submit. Click on submit. Sir, in case we have a chart control is available, okay, we will use this chart control. Okay, now see here. Okay, now clear and everyone.
Yes, sir.
So now it is okay. Sir, now we are displaying the data in the form of charts. Okay. Sir, now next one is they will ask you and sir now end of the our application development. Okay, end of the application development. People will ask us. Okay, people will ask us, hey, is it possible to include like a okay, some of the reports under report tab is available, right? Once you launch it the portal here and once we launch the portal here they will ask us here they will ask us to include the reports. Okay, they will ask us like a weekly report, monthly report, and whatever cases available in approval, whatever cases available in verification, whatever all open cases. So like that, we will get the requirements. See, manager level people, they cannot how they can view the data, your application level data. See, if you create a reports easily, they can identify, right? These many cases are in pending. These many cases are in open cases. These many cases we completed. These many cases pending with this work basket. Like that, they can identify, right? Okay, weekly cases. Weekly, how many cases we created? Weekly, how many cases we are resolving? Sorry, they ask us to get that report. Then we will create, and we will include. Where we will include? Here we will include. Like that we will get the common requirements. Okay, end of your development projects, okay, reporting is the one of the future. There they will ask us, we want like all whatever open cases are available, is it possible to create one report whenever we want? Okay, we will click on that report and then we can say how many cases okay, how many cases are available open, how many cases are available in pending, how many cases are available in approval. Like that easily they can identify. Yes or no? Agree you people also, whatever I am telling you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, here on dashboard also we are
Yes, yes.
showing reports.
Dashboard level we can show in our project my work list. Okay, we will show in the data in the form of tabular format, right? Even my work list also we can showcase, even work basket view also we can showcase. Wherever they want, we will include. We will create a reports and then we will include. Especially graphical representation point type of reports we will show in the dashboard level. Not only their end, even my reports also, reports tab is available, right? There also we will include. Okay now?
Okay, sir. So dashboard is common across all users, right?
Yes, yes,
Report
yes.
is
Okay,
specific
dashboard
to.
is common across all the users. Means, for example, if you create a different portals, if you create a different portals at that time maybe different, right? Some say some dashboards, some different reports, some dashboards, some different reports, like that we will show, right?
Okay, yes,
Susan.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, clear, sir. Now how we will create reports, sir? How we will create a reports? Now see here. Okay, how we will create a reports. Now how we will include those reports into okay reports tab. Okay, and now I will show you this one. After that I will show you how we can delegate these reports to business users. Some people will ask, okay, now we will not log into the application. So product owners, those people, they will not log in. They want to see the cases, daily cases, weekly cases, monthly cases, daily cases, every day they want whatever cases created. Weekly whatever cases they want like weekly cases, weekly open cases they want, monthly open cases they want, without logging into the PEGA application. This one I will show you how we can schedule the reports to business users. Okay, so now here we can see, go to the reports tab here, and here now again you can see the category and manage categories. So now you can observe here public and private categories. Category is the one rule here. If you observe here, now I'm going to close this one. Now here you can see category. Now see here, category, category. So now see, these are the different PEGA, okay, default categories. Analyze performance, okay, analyze quality, case matrix, like that. Now it will give some different reports, different data it will give. For public and private, again here categories, these are the list of categories, and public category and private category. Public category means, okay, whatever reports are available in this public category, everyone can access. Whatever reports are available in public category, everyone one can access. Private category means only, okay, only me, whatever reports are available, I log into the application. With private category, whatever reports are available, only I only can access. Sir, whatever reports are available, okay, when Sarita is logging into the application, whatever reports are available in private, only she can see, right? Yes or no, everyone? So now here categories, when you are creating a public or private, now from here also we can create a category, and here also you can create a category from here also. So now when you are creating a category, now your private category you want to create, now see here public and private. Now if I create a public category, now see here, now it will show, so now open cases, open cases. So now click on submit, click on submit. So now here I can see open cases. So in case if you want to include any of the report in this open cases, sir, only I am only, okay, whatever reports are available here, only me only can see. So now see how we will include this one. Okay, how we will include this one. Now see here, in case how we, for example, whatever report you created, sir, whatever report you created, for example, uh, so now this is the report I created. Now I want to include here. I want to include here. Okay, go to the report viewer, and then we will select this one and see what category. What category we want to include, you can include. Sir, now this is the open cases like that. I created one category. Sir, now you can select this one and click on submit. I can see this one. Sir, now see, for example, just I'm going to check in this one. I created my own category and then I included whatever I created the report. Now you can see here. Sir, now see, now I can see that can now go to the reports. Go to the reports. Now we can see. Sir, now whatever, okay, whatever reports he created. Now go to the category wise you want to check on. Category wise now you want to check on. Okay, if I log off and log in, okay, I can see. Sir, now open cases category, now I displayed. Sir, now even go here, all the reports. Now we can, this is the report I created. So this is the report I created. Sir, like that we will include the reports. Sir, we will create a category. In that category, okay, in that category, whatever reports you want to include, we can include like that. Okay, we can include like that. Now see here. So now, okay, now observe here how we will include. So now see one in under reporter viewer display in a report browser. So now from here also we can create a category. Okay, from here also we can create a category and then we can include. Now see here, I'm going to create a reports and then how we can include. So now see here, first I'm going to create a daily cases. Okay, now we can see. Uh, Sir, now I'm going to create one category from here. Category. Okay, now I'm creating one category. Sir, now see here, okay, daily reports. Daily claim cases. Sir, now sorry, now daily claim cases report. Report already is available, right? Now see here. Owner type. Sir, now this one also you can remember. Owner type, all or all. Standard means all. Now we can see some more things under. Remember this one. Shared. Now here, what you are able to see here, what is these things? Come on, what is these things?
Access groups.
Sir, whatever reports are available means only this person, whoever is pointing to this access group, only those people only can access your reports. Whatever reports are available in this category. Yes or no? We are controlling, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, remember all these points. Please need to remember, and in case if they ask, sir, now this category now we can see access group level we can control. Means standard means everyone. Personal, no, this report I created only for Sarita. Sir, now we can see here. Means now what do you mean? What do you mean?
Operator name, this is
Means specific to operator. Specific to operator, specific to access group, and okay, common to all. Like that, we can create a categories, right? Everyone, come on,
yes,
clear?
sir.
Okay, okay. Now I'm creating a one okay category. Nothing. We will not specify anything in a category. And no worries. Just you can give this one. Okay, whatever label name now you want to give, you can give the label name. Daily cases like that. And click on submit. So now this category, okay, we can see. Now see here, now we can observe, go to the reports. Now we can see this one. So now go to the actions and manage categories, whatever daily claim cases. Zero reports are available. So we will include now what I will do is, okay, now I'm going to create a report. So now I'm going to create a report. So now in this category, okay, now see here, I'm going to create a report. Okay, daily claim open cases. Open cases. So now see here, whatever they asked us to include the properties, we will include all the properties, and whatever they asked us to include the properties, we will include those properties. Okay, sir, now create operator name, PY status work. Sir, we will include all the properties. Okay, whatever conditions they asked us, okay, we will include those conditions also in these cases. Now I want only does not starts with said okay, I created the report. So now see here, now I want to include this report into, okay, I want to include this report into whatever category you want to include. Go to the report viewer. Here we will include, okay na everyone, where we will include our report into the, come on, where we will include now, clear, right? Sir,
Yes,
now
sir.
I, okay, now I included here. Now go here, go to the click this one. Sir, now we can see one report. Sir, now we can see one report, right, everyone? Sir, now we can see one report. Okay. Sir, now we can see here, okay, daily cases. Now, okay, go back in case. Now they can see the reports, all the reports, whatever we created just now. Now we can see this one. So today, whatever case is created, now it is showing, right? Come on.
Yes, sir.
So again, okay, sir, not, bro, I want, sir, now daily, whatever cases we are resolving, not only this report and daily, whatever cases we are resolving. Again here, daily resolved cases. See, like that, people will, business will ask us, like that, sir, I will create one more weekly, sir, weekly cases. Sir, now here, I want, okay, whatever cases resolved. Okay, this one also we included into, okay, we include like that weekly one more category in our, okay, in our projects. Now this one also included here. So now what I will do is I'm going to create a case. We will resolve the cases. We will resolve the case. All whatever I'm discussing, right, last 4 days onwards, about reports, please remember. Okay, now we can go to the, go here. What is the, okay, report? Now see. So I didn't change resolved cases, right? Even you can search also, and here we can search. Why I'm not able to see? Okay, resolved cases. Okay, fine. I think open this one. Sir, now I save as it, right? Okay, label name. Okay, label name still it is showing okay, this one only. I will change this one. Okay, next one okay, I will discuss. Label name it is showing this one. Okay, now you got to know what is the use of a table like this one. Report title also. Why no cases it is showing? Equal to sorry, starts with I need to give the starts with, right? Starts with, sir, like that. Okay, we will create a different reports and whatever for, okay, how they want to show, they want to show in the graphical representation. Okay, whatever format, okay, business want, we will include. Now see here, I can see two cases I resolved. Okay, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now you can again you can observe when you are doing this all these things. Okay, when you are doing this one, you can see the one of the shortcut rule. One of the shortcut rule PEGA automatically it will create. Okay, PEGA automatically it will create. Now you can see here. Sir, when I added a report into the category, PEGA automatically it's created the shortcut rule, right? Observe.
Yes, sir.
Okay, PEGA automatically it's created shortcut rule. Sir, now open what details it contains shortcut rule. What details it contains? What it contains?
Report name, report class name.
Uh, Sir, your report details. Your report class, and then if you open this one, it will open the. Sir, now this is the report. Now just now we created. Automatically in the back end, it will create one shortcut rule. Okay, no, you no need to create. PEGA itself automatically it will create. Now we can observe. Sir, now we created the category, and then we created the category, and then in that category we included the reports. Like that, this is also one of the way we can delegate the reports to business user whenever they want. They can include even here. You can be enabled in case if they want to search last 1 week cases, last 30 days. In case if they want to search whatever cases resolved last 30 days, we didn't resolve any cases, come down last 60 days cases, they want to check whatever cases resolved. Now we can see like that. They can edit this one. Okay. So next one here also, how we can schedule the reports to business users. So some see manager level people, some people they will log into the application and then they can see. Okay, in this reports level. Okay, they can see here, and some people they will not log into the see, like product owners and all. Some high level people they will not log into the PEGA application. Every day they will ask us. Every day at 8 a.m. I want, every day at 6 a.m. or every day at 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. I want. I want weekly open cases, whatever resolved cases, of monthly cases. I want some condition basis. In case again, how we can delegate? How we can delegate? So now see here, okay, how we can delegate okay, reports to business users. This is also small option on the end. Now go here, whatever report you want to delegate to the business users, whatever reports you want to delegate to the business users, what we will do here, go here. Mm. Sir, we will create a report and then you can see here okay, any report and whatever report. Now see for example, okay, I will log off and log in. Okay, now we can see this one. Go to the go here. Okay, sir, now see they want to we want to delegate this report. Okay, now you can observe how we will okay schedule the reports to business users. Now we can see this one. Okay, any report, whatever report now you want to delegate. Okay, whatever report you want to delegate, select that report. You can see the gear icon. You can see the gear icon. Okay, you can see the gear icon, and then in case if you want to save as, also we can save as. You want to delete, you want to move this report to some different category, we can move this one into different category. So now here you can see what category you want to move this report. So now the type of options are available here. Okay, now we can observe. Now I want to delegate this one. Okay, delegate me, sorry, schedule this one. Now you can click on this one, it will open. We will schedule the reports to business users. Okay, now see here, now all your report information, and daily what time you want to schedule this report. Okay, daily what time you want, whether you want to send this report only one day, only one time, or else a recurring every day, every day. What time, 1 p.m or 2 p.m. Okay, only it's not like one okay, 10 10:30, 9:30, 10:15 like that, hour basis. And okay, 1 2 3, whatever time you want. For example, now I want to send a report every day to 11 a.m. And okay, frequency also daily or weekly. If I select the week, daily. Okay, now when you want to start. Okay, when I'm going to select the weekly, weekly. Okay, when you want to only Saturdays. Okay, other than Saturday and Sunday, I don't want to send, only weekdays only I want to send. You can select those options. And monthly, sir, now okay, when okay, what every day, sir, every month of first day, second day, third day, or every month last day. So now even days also, Wednesday, every month. Okay, only weekdays, only weekends, only Saturday, only Wednesday, every month Wednesday do you want to send a report. Sir, like that we have a different options are available when you want to schedule. Sir, yearly, okay, January month or else February month, okay, when you want to send a report, like annual reports also will be available. Sir, now how you want to send this report? Okay, 1 minute. And okay, now see, okay, how you want to schedule, you can schedule it. Okay, next one is, sir, there is no end date, continuously you want to send a report. Okay, so now continuously you want to send a report, no, sir, end after these many times. Okay, just like a five times you can send, after that don't send. Sir, now you want to specific, sir, from today to next November ending you want to send a report. That's you can select this one. Sir, now if it is failed, okay, do you want to retrieve every 5 minutes? How many times you want to retrieve? Three. Like that, this type retrieve mechanism also we can specify. And what format you want? What format you want? Either in the in the form of PDF or else Excel. Okay, what format you want, you can select that. Okay, for example, if you select this one, Excel format, you can get, you can see. Sir, here we need to specify the operator IDs, and you need to specify the operator IDs. When you are specifying operator IDs, what I will do is, okay, instead of sending every day, okay, sir, now every day, now I want to send a report. Now you can specify it. You can specify um, and after 5 times. Okay, now I'm giving this one from today onwards. So today onwards, now I'm sending a report. Now, Sarita. Sir, now whatever operator IDs now you want to include, you can include. Here, Surya, I included. Okay, whatever operator IDs now you want to include, you can include those operator IDs. Now click on submit. This is the way we will schedule. Sir, now I schedule this one. Now we can observe. Sir, operator IDs you specified. Means now we can in operator profile you need to specify the operator profile. Sir, now here P dot pega at the rate gmail.com. Sir, valid email ID need to specify. Valid email ID need to specify. And okay, valid email ID need to specify in the operator profile. Next one is in a Surya operator ID included. Sir, what about you? Just now you told that business users, some of the users, they will not log into the application. For those people, are you going to create a operator ID? No, we will create one comma operator ID, and then here we will specify comma separated one. Sir, okay. Is it possible to ping your email IDs just like a testing purpose? I will show you. Just you can ping in the group, this one, Teams chat. I will copy your email ID. Send.
Sent, sir.
Hmm. See, now what I will do is just I'm updating a comma separated one. Here, what we will do is comma. Sir, no need to create a separate operator ID. Sir, just like we will specify those operator, okay, email IDs in the common, right, common operator ID we will specify. Now see here, now I scheduled, right, for example 11 o'clock we will get the reports. Okay, we will get, sir, where we can see this one means, now go here, all scheduled reports where every day you people will get up to 5 days. Now see here, scheduled reports. So this is the navigation we will follow. Now sir, okay, this is the report we created, right, daily claim cases. Yes, sir. Now scheduled today at 11 a.m. 11 a.m. You will get the report, right? Now here you can see. See, for example, just like a testing purpose. Now I'm going to run this one. Now we can run this one. Now we can see. Check your emails. You will get the report. So you will get the report. Now we can run this one. Okay, I will open a email ID also. Oh, sir, now we can open. Just check your email ID. Now see, now I got the report or not in the form of Excel. Now see, our email ID is included. Now we got the report. Yes or no? Andy? Like that, we will schedule the reports to business users. Sir, what email ID it is sent? Okay, all scheduled reports. Okay, sir, we will schedule the reports. Schedule reports. default email account. So whatever reports you want to schedule, we will specify. Okay, whatever okay, reports we want to schedule to business users. Okay, we will specify the list of operators. List of operators. And so now in the operator ID level, we need to specify valid email ID. Valid email ID. Sir, now here, now you got the report. Everyone, every day, you people also will get the reports. Sir, now this is the default email account. Okay, this is the email account. Okay, when you are practicing, right, at the time, okay, it will not send a email. Okay, this is the default email account. Okay, I will explain this one. How we will configure this email account. Okay, maybe coming weeks, I will explain. And sir, this is the default email account. Now click on this test connectivity. Click on this test connectivity. Now we can see the okay success. So we need to specify all the details. We need to specify the all the details. So now we can see the details. Okay, successfully connected to the email server. Okay. Okay, now we can observe. Like that, we can schedule the reports to business users. So I will tell you how we will configure the email account. Okay. In any questions about how we can schedule the reports to business users? This one also. Everyone. Any questions? Now you can tell me. Any questions? Okay. Some more additional thing. Okay, we will discuss about report viewer tab. Sir, what is the use of report to viewer tab? Okay, we'll discuss now. Okay, now see here, open claim cases. Now, not this one. Sir, now we will discuss about. Okay, okay, I will open. Sir, now this is the report we created, right? Now see, we will discuss about this one. Okay, report to reviewer, whatever options are available, these things we will discuss now. First one is the report header. Just now, the report header, this one show claim details. Even previously, when you are, see, even when you are running this report, you can see the daily open cases. Sometimes business will ask you, hey, is it possible to change this label name? Daily open claim open cases. Daily open claim cases. In case they asked you to display like that. Okay, display like that. Okay, now see here. Okay, now they asked you to change like that. So now this one, when you create a report, whatever report name it is showing, right? Same name it will take. Now see here it. So now they want like open claim cases. So sir, now in case a report title, if they asked us to change this one, now we can see. Now we can again you can select this one. So okay, why? because of the cache. Okay, why log off and log in? Don't worry, and it will come. Okay, launch the portal. I, okay, I will log in to some different user. Surya. You can see the report name also. Go to the actions and then you can see. Okay, this report owner, right? I changed. Run this one. Daily open cases. Daily open cases it is showing. Open cases it is showing. Okay, fine. If it is not showing, okay, fine. Okay, what I will do is you can change the shortcut rule also. Okay, shortcut rule. Okay, you can update this one also. Okay, in the reporter views, if it is not updating, whatever you change, okay, if it is not updating, you can update the shortcut rule also. Okay, shortcut rule also you can update it. Okay, this one shortcut rule also you can update in case if you want to change the label name. So normal reports when you are running at that time you want to give the different name. At that time if you want to give the different name, you can give the different name. Okay, if your once you when you are executing your report at that time you want to give some different title at that time you can specify here. Okay, next one is the header display. Next one is the header display. Now here you can see now okay, I executed this one. So now case ID, create date time, create operator, work status. So now see header column headings only. So now column headings only. Now we are displaying column heading. See case ID, create date time, create operator, work status. Okay, now here now I'm going here different options. Column headings and summary and sort options. Summary and sort options. Hide column headings. So now general whatever I'm explaining, no need to select. Okay, these are the whatever default options are available, keep as is. In case if a requirement is demanding, at that time only can change. So now column headings and then summary, okay, sort options. Now I selected this one. Now see here how it is looks like. How it is looks like your report. Or open this one. So okay. So now see here. Previously only column headings only now you can say. So now these two things also it is enabled. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Now what this one? What it is giving? Sir, now it is giving additional search. Sir, additional sorting option. Sir, now see create ID. Sir, now they want like a summary view. Sir, now see now like that okay, we can create our own report. So not create now. See now we are changing. We are giving a additional option to them. Okay, additional option to them. Work status now I want work status and then operator name I want summary report now I want. For how many cases today she created Sarita created 5 cases. To how many cases created by Sarita one case. Now it is giving some different information. Okay, na everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now see again here. Now if you select only summary options means column headings. Okay, we will not get it. Sir, column headings we will not get. Sir, now go here. Select this one. Select this one. Column headings. Now see column headings removed, now summary options only. Okay, this is a different presentation. So now here, if you select the hide columns, sir, only this data only it will show, but generally we will not show like that. People will confuse what is this column, what is this column, like that. Now see, it will display only data only. So now whatever options you are selecting, it is displaying some different format. Again, I change. Okay, okay, fine. So now here you can see, here we don't have that much of data, right? What I will do is just like example purpose, I'm removing this one, and example purpose, I'm removing this one. Now you can see this one. Okay, now all cases we will get. Now see, so many cases now we are getting. So now see here, now I'm scrolling down. See here, now I'm scrolling down. Okay, now when I'm going to scrolling down, at that time, what is this column name? What is this column? What is Sarita means what? Whether it's updated operator ID or created operator ID. Hello, whether it is a case status or assignment, whether it is a create date time or update date time. Like that, people will get some confusion, right? When you are going to scroll down, column headings also it is overlapping, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
That now in case if you want like some different presentation, now here, do not scroll header. Do not scroll header. Now you can select this one. Now we can see the how it will behave now. So now when we are going to scroll down, now see here. Okay, then. Hello. So now it is
Yes.
enabled, right? This is the new thing. It is enabled. Okay, now. Now this one is enabled. Okay, see, these are the options are available. Okay, these are the options are available. Okay, next one. Sir, display the display filters by using custom condition. Display filters by using custom conditions means, sir, when you are running a report, sir, when they are running a report, sir, now see here, before showing this report, I want to show some form here. I want to show some form here. Is it possible to show before loading the screen? Before loading the screen, is it possible to show that form? Yes. At that time, we will select this one. Sir, if you check the checkbox, there we can specify the class name and name class name, report name, and prefix. What is the use of this prefix? You will get to know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create okay four properties. Okay, now I'm going to create four properties. Operator name, operator ID. First, I will filter conditions. The custom conditions means filter can operator ID already is available. Start date. Start date is already is available. End date. End date is already is available. Next one is case status. I think previously itself we created. Okay, all properties are available. Perfect. So now we will create a section. We will create a section. I'm creating a section. Show here you can include the properties. You can use the templates. Okay. So now we can see here. Sir, before running that report data, you want to give the option to search. Okay, you want to give the option to search. Click on save. So now you created the report what class. Okay, now see here. Go here. Now, okay, now you can specify the class name and what is the section you created. Show claim details. Prefix and what is the use of this prefix? Now I will show. Okay, so by using this prefix, whatever properties you included in section, we can access and okay. Before loading the screen, now I want to show I want to show some filter conditions. So this is my requirement. Okay. Sir, who create whatever case is created by sir what okay whatever case is created by whatever status like a status work and px create date time and px create date time and px create date time. I'm including. Okay. Sir, now see here. Okay, this one already you know. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Now I'm specifying or now we can give and okay. So now here custom filter conditions. Sir, whatever properties are available in this section, we can access by using this prefix and custom. Okay, whatever custom filter condition is available. Now I am passing this one dot operator ID. Operator ID. So now here dot case give the dot case status. So now here dot start date. Okay, dot end date. End date. So now when you are going to click on save, it will give the error. You know okay, why we are getting this error. So previously itself we discussed it, right? Sir, this format and this format is different. Okay, now only we will take the day portion. Day portion of px create date time. Okay, now I'm going to take that one. The portion of px create date time. So now this is the date property, this is the date time property. That's why it is giving error. Now see here. Okay, now we included. Now you can check the checkbox. Okay, that warning also it will remove. You can check the checkbox. Click on save. Okay, fine, perfect. Sir, okay, now you can run the still it is not showing that condition, right? Sir, whatever section you called before running that report, you want to show some custom filter condition. For that purpose, you enabled. Okay, for that purpose, you enabled. Sir, okay. Sir, why I'm not able to see? Now see here. Okay, this is the checkbox you need to check. Prompt for filter changes before displaying a report. Now we need to check the checkbox. Prompt, okay, prompt for report changes before displaying. Now we can select this one. So now we can see here, now we can observe. Now we can observe before running a report. Previously, sir, previously, if you observe, sir, now see whether it is showing a report now. Come on, no. Sir, now I'm going to check whatever Sarita created, whatever Sarita created the cases. Now I want to check Sarita one created the cases. Sir, now whatever Sarita created the cases, now I want. Sir, whatever case is created by Surya, okay, whatever case is created by Surya, now I want. Okay, now clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, whatever case is created by Sarita. Sir, whatever case is created by Sarita, now I want. Now see how you are doing. Sir, now see before displaying, now sir, now case status, sir, now whatever open cases, new cases with the status. Before displaying what is the use of this one, sir? Every report, whether you will do like that? No, it's not required. In case if they ask you, hey, is it possible or not? Yes, sir, in a report reviewer we have a checkbox is available. Now we are displaying after that. Okay na everyone? Vanija, Prasanna, come on, clear? Avantika, Wilson. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next one is the display customer section inline. Next one is the customer display inline. Sir, now this one also, sir, now see here, you can see check the checkbox. Now I'm going to check custom display section inline. I selected this one. So now it is showing some different format right now when I selected a custom different inline. So now, KC, some UI point of view. So previously, whether you are able to see this UI once you search, come on, once you search whether you are able to see, previously it is showing the filter condition. So now here you can see your section and then your data. Okay now? Before enabling Monday, this one, okay, sir, some different representation. That's it. Nothing. Some different representation. So now see here. So now I'm searching with Sarita one. Now we can see this one. Like that. Sir, when you are going to click this one, now you are checking. Sir, when I'm checking this checkbox, now you are seeing some different presentation. Whatever you are searching, right? Now see, click this one. Okay, now you can search with Sarita one. Click on submit. Now we can see like that. Okay. Next one. Sir, next one is okay, sir. Okay, sir, display actual data while okay editing the report. Okay, fine. Sir, now we are displaying like that. No one will ask like to display data some different. In case if your requirement is saying like that time only can do, and otherwise okay, just you can remember in interview point of view suddenly if they ask also, okay, now we can showcase. Okay, sir, now we can see here. Now what we will do here now, show claim details and all right, display actual data while editing the report. Sir, now display the rows by using custom data. This one, sir, now row data. Now you are showing the row data. Now this one also, case ID, this property. Also, you want to show like a UI. Here also you want to show like a UI means section. Okay, show case results. Case results. Case results. Now you can see here. Try to use the templates again. It will take a time. Now we can map the properties. And just I'm adding one property. Okay. I'm including, okay, again it will take a time, right? Okay, I'm including only two properties. After that you will get to know. You want to give the label name also, you can give claim information. Okay, easily can understand. Now see here. Okay, now you can save this one. You can save this one. Click, come down. Okay, now we can search this the cases. Surya at the rate lac.com. Click on submit. So now we can see. Okay, na? So now your case for each row information you are showing each row information you are showing hello section
Yes.
format section UI point UI level UI level how you are showing right similar like that. So in case if you want to show like that you can show. Okay na? Clear right everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All see if it is required okay if it is not required fine okay okay fine. So next one okay next one is okay next one is go here where is the report go to the report viewer. Sir grouping results group results. Sir now this one also just all Hyderabad people all Chennai all Delhi or else all okay India people USA people Canada people. Sir now what you are doing you are grouping your results right your report results. Sir the location basis now whatever now I told location basis now I grouped the results yes or no come on
Yes, sir.
location basis now I looped no gender basis now I want to group means you are grouping the results you are grouping the results based upon what so again that one also it will give the clear information to the users and so now you want to group the results based upon now say I will not disturb that report I will open one of the report any of the existing report. Okay, I will create instead of disturbing all okay, I will create sir now here you can see sir now you want whenever you want to group the results at least you need to select and you need to select okay. Why it is not showing okay now click on save. Sir now so I'm not going to enable anything just you can see here now run this one. See there is no that much difference there is no that much difference okay. Go to the report viewer even if you are enabling this one also okay if you are enabling this one also now click on save. Even if you run this one nothing you are not seeing that much difference each row one group like that it is showing each row one group like that it is showing. Sir now see here some meaningful way what am it is a grouping based upon id okay it is not giving that much advantage. Now what I'm going to do is now I'm grouping based upon the status based upon the operator. Sir you need to enable us one sort option and so now see here it will give the group information see here. So now clear information it is correct how many cases just now gender location whoever staying in Hyderabad I want one group. Sir now it is grouped right come on.
Yes, sir.
So now it is giving us some information right okay, valid information or not. You need to select at least one numeric sort type and sorry sort type is select the sort type automatically when you are group when you are checking that checkbox if you didn't select also any of the first column it will select sort. So now whatever column basis you want to group that column you can enable sort. So now see clearly it is giving okay. So now what is the use of grouping now you know. Sir again here see here okay uh, group results when exporting. Sir, now see, now we can observe here when I want to export this one. I want to send this report to my business. Okay, now I want to send this report to business. Now open this one. It will, okay, it will export normal only. Normal only. So now even when I'm running this report, how it is displaying these results in the group way, same way when I'm going to export also, I want to export same, okay, similar way. Okay, at that time you can check the checkbox. Now I checked the checkbox. When you are displaying the data here, right? When you are displaying the data here, now run this one. When you are displaying the data here, now see here, when you are exporting also, it will export. Sir, it will export. Now see here, the group way only. Okay, na everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, next one. Sir, next one is okay, display. Now you people only tell me what is the use of grouping, display grouping by using custom condition. Tell me what is the use. Eh, you know this one means you need to tell immediately. Sir, do you want to display the data? See, what is the use of this row? Just now I showed you, right? Hello, this one and
Yes, sir.
your group results. Just we want to show in a UI. Like you can again you can create it. At least you can practice this one assignment. Okay, na? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next one. What are the important user actions? And sir, now you can see. Okay, I will remove. Okay, fine. Okay, now you can remove this one. Okay, sir. Sir, what is the use of user actions? We'll discuss now. See here. What is the use of display? Display in a report viewer. Now you know, right? Whenever you want to display your report under some specific category, when you are displaying the reports into the report tab, what category you want to, okay, display your report at that time. Okay, under report viewer user actions, select this one and then we will select. Just now I showed you. Okay, na? When we will check the checkbox, now you know. So this one also, when we will check the checkbox, when you are displaying a custom filter condition, okay, before running the report, at that time, we will check the checkbox and then we will check the checkbox. This one also practically I showed you. Okay, this one also fine. So now next one is the display report filters. Display report filters. So now what is the use of the checkbox? Now one by one we'll check now. So now display. Okay, is there any? Okay, now see. Okay, I will disable this one. Is not required now. Go here. No. Mm, now I'm giving this one. Okay. So now you can see this one. So now we can see the what is the filter condition. Now we can see these are all options. Now we can see okay, observations. And now I'm going to uncheck the checkbox. Okay, now I unchecked that checkbox. Now we can run this one. What is your observation? Come on.
The filter condition is hidden.
Hidden. So sometimes they will ask us, right? Hey, we don't want to show that filter condition, whatever you are showing. So when you are displaying. In case if you want to hide, what we will do? Okay, we will check the checkbox. Okay, sir. Now you know what is the use of this one. Sir, when you are unchecking, automatically this one also display. Okay, enabling. Okay, sir. It is this one also disabling. Okay, fine. Sir, what is the use? Enable filter changes. Now. Enable filter changes. Now see here. Okay, now click this one. So now they are able to change, right? In case if they want to change, they can select some different status. Change means just like they can they will search with the different statuses like that. Okay. So now you are unchecking the checkbox. Is it possible to change this one?
No.
No, we cannot change it. Okay, we cannot change this one. Okay, remember this one also. Okay, next one is now enable column command menu. Enable column command menu. Okay, I'm going to run this one. First, I'm going to run this one. So now here you can see this one. Okay, all options now you are able to see. Okay, so now see. Okay, you have these options are available. What we will do now? I'm going to uncheck the checkbox. Sorry, okay, now I'm going to run this one. So now you can see here whether you are able to see those options now.
No, sir. It is disabled.
Disabled. So now what is the use of this option of you know? Okay. So next one is enable okay actions. Enable actions means when you are going to run the report, now we can see here convert to text, edit report, and here you can see save as a summarized, export to export means when you are running a report, you want to export this data to Excel, you want to export this data to PDF, we can export like that. Sir, we can export like that. And sir, now we can export the data like that. Okay, now data it is exported into okay PDF format. Sir, now see here. Okay, now go to the report. Now here we have options. Sometimes people will ask you, hey, I don't want to give any option to export. I don't want to give any option to export. I don't want to give save as. I don't want to give enable. Sir, if you are unchecking the checkbox, now see here. Okay, when you are unchecking the checkbox, now see they will not get any option here. Okay, na? Clear? Sir,
Yes, sir.
these are options, whatever actions, right? If you don't want to give, okay, if you don't want to give at that time, you can check the checkbox. Edit option is available. Summarized option is available. All those options, if you don't want, you can give. Okay, you can uncheck the checkbox. Report reviewer. Okay, Nandi, everyone.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sir, next one is okay. This is the one of the important one. And sir, now see here this one also okay. Important observation. Please remember like that. Okay, important observation. Sir, now I'm running this report. Okay, I'm running this report. Now we can see. Okay, I will remove the condition. I will remove the condition now. Sir, now see, okay, this one please remember, okay, a very important observation. Sir, now first row 50 records, second row 50 records, total 130, okay, 128 records. Sir, for example, okay, by default, your report definition, by default, your report definition, okay, by default, okay, by default, okay, report definition will fetch the 10,000 okay say 10,000 records. 10,000 by default report definition will fetch the 10,000 records. Okay, when we enable the pagination, again pagination, when we enable the pagination. Okay, when we enable the pagination by default, and by default pagination also it will enable, by default it will enable the pagination, and then it will fetch the 10,000 records. Okay, 10,000 records it will fetch. And okay, your report definition will fetch the 10,000 records. Okay, here itself now we can say maximum how many rows it will fetch, 10,000 records. So now we can observe. Okay, observe here. Okay, page by page. Sir, in case if you want to increase the each page size also we can increase. And sir, now each page now I want to okay increase 100 records. Now we can increase. Sir, each page now it is displaying 100. Okay, so now this page nation also, sir, now you want like some different format, you can select sir, now top or center, bottom, how you want, you can select those options. Sir, different, sir, now you want drop down, how you want to give the option, you can give that option. Okay, sir, now here okay, one of the main observation, for example, if you didn't enable, sir, for example, I disabled, okay, I disabled this page nation. Sir, when I'm going to disable this pagination, okay, your report, all the records it will show in a single only. Single only. Up to how many records it will fetch? 500 records. When you are disabling the your report definition, how many records? Just one minute. Okay, just like 5 minutes only, I will wind up. Okay, so now see, when you are disabling, when we are, okay, when we are disabling, when we disable page, when we disable pagination from report viewer, okay, by default, report definition will fetch 500 records. So especially remembering, okay, this one when we will disable is, okay, remember this is the very important point. Sir, for example, now I asked you, Suhana, could you please get the list of cases, whatever, okay, available in verification, and loop and move those all cases to approval. Just I told. So now, okay, by default, when you are creating a report definition, by default, it will enable the pagination. You are looping a list of results. Just you can think that you are looping. What it will do, it will update only first 50 records only. Next 50 records it will not update. Next, okay, so 200 records it will not update because of this pagination. You got it right? What I am telling now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Sir, okay, it will not update next 50 record. Why? Because pagination is enabled. When you are, okay, when you are looping your report definition results, and then you want to do something, you want to update something at that time, in your mind you need to think that if it is fetching more than 50 records at that time, please disable the pagination. Sir, okay, you told pagination you disable, but okay, I'm getting 650 records, bro. At that time, my report definition is fetching 500 records only. At that time, how we will do? Sir, now in case, okay, if we want to increase, sir, now we want to increase. Now here you can increase. Here now you can increase to 10,000, 50,000. Sometimes okay, your business will tell that, okay, default our report definition is displaying these many records. Sir, now these many records, is it possible to update? Sir, is it possible to increase that limit? We will disable this one, and then we can include here. Okay, when you are including this one, it will give you one performance warning. Okay, you need to discuss with your team lead, and then you can update. Sir, now it will fetch more than 50,000, up to 50,000 records. Sir, if we want to fetch, no, if we want to fetch more than, okay, 10,000 records or 500 records, then we will disable pagination. We will disable the pagination. Okay, and specify specify the required, okay, required count under data access tab. Okay, remember, now if you want to fetch more than some 50,000 record, 51 lakh means we need to specify here. Sir, now see here, sometimes, right, okay, okay, maximum elapsed time in a second, sir. Sir, when you are specifying 50,000 records, if it is not unable to fetch within the 30 seconds, sometimes you will get the timeout issues. At that time, okay, don't increase this one. Sir, in case if you are getting more, sir, if you are getting more records, at that time, what we will do is, here we will specify, sir, okay, if you are getting like a timeout exception, we will increase 60 seconds or else 90 seconds, like that we will update. 60 seconds or 90 seconds, like that we will update. And Okay, in case if it is not required, in case okay, if it is giving like a timeout exception, you can update. And then sometimes people will ask you, hey, my report is giving like a 12,000 records. When I'm exporting, it is exporting only 1,000 records, 10,000 records only. Immediately you need to think that, oh, default records exporting means when you are running a report, here you can see, right, exporting. Okay, at that time, if you are getting okay, it is exporting only 10,000, but your report is giving a 12,000 records. At that time, this one also you can increase. This one also you can increase. And okay, and what time, how much time it will required to export means here also you can specify the time. Okay, if it is giving a timeout exception when you are exporting, at that time, if you're you can increase this one also 60 seconds or 90 seconds, like that you can increase. So these four also important options. And okay na, everyone. Okay, when you are disabling a pagination, at that time only we will get the option to enable to modify this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, clear about, okay, this one. Again here, this is the one more option. And enable smart info means some more additional information you want, additional information about each row. Sorry, when you are running a report, each see now here you are getting a data each row now here, case id, case status, create date time, operator id. So now by passing this PZ key value, I want first name, I want last name, I want age, your case information you want. Some here itself, label name itself, additional information. Here what we will do, we will call the activity. We will call the activity the passing a INS key value to get the data. Okay, na? Clear? Everyone. Each row, some more additional information if you want, we will pass the INS key value and then we can get the data in case if they want. So like that, these are the options are available in a report viewer and charts. Any questions? And query tab. Okay. Maybe next class we'll discuss about data access tab. Any questions, everyone? Any questions? Okay, if you don't have any questions, we'll stop. Next class we'll continue about joins, sub reports and associations. Okay. Thanks all.